Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. This is Mr. PMJ, and this is my home theater, but it also doubles as my music. And if you've been following me, in the last 2 years, I went from 99% movies to 99% music because music is just so much more challenging and more fun, and there's a lot more things you can do to make it sound better and just experimenting, having fun. So here's a tip I have, and that's about crossover settings. All these years, I have been setting my subwoofers with music here. I have two subwoofers. They're independent. They play with whatever the speakers are playing, left or right. And in the past, I've always set the crossover of the speaker and the subwoofer to match. And what I mean by that is that, say your speaker can only play down to 80 hertz. Well, in the past, I would set my subwoofer at 80 hertz. And then I started reading more and more, and some graphs would show that yes, even though your speakers can play down at 80 hertz, it really is doing a big drop off, like 10 hertz above that. So, like at 90 hertz, it starts dropping off dramatically, like 3 decibels or 6 decibels. So you're getting kind of a dip there before your subwoofers kick in. And the way to fix that is that you set your subwoofer at 90 instead, so that it covers that missing portion for the speaker that goes down to 80 hertz. And in my case, my Golden Ear BRX here, they're capable of going down to 40 hertz, but with a plus minus 6 decibels, it really drops off like around 50 hertz. So before, for me, my subwoofer I had set at 40 hertz, and now I've raised it to 50 hertz, and it does sound better. And so there are 3 ways that I know of, that you can change your crossover settings. For me, my subwoofer has a crossover setting. Mine are Definitive Technology SuperCube 6000. And so that's one way. Another way is you can, if your preamplifier has it, you might have a crossover adjustment or some buttons that you can set your crossovers. And then another way is your amplifier. For me, I have a Parasound 2100 preamplifier that allows me to adjust the crossovers of the subwoofer. And also my 2 amplifiers, the NAD C298 and the Parasound 2125 V2. They both have a crossover setting. So I hope this helps you guys, and it doesn't hurt to try. If you have those crossover settings, give it a shot and see if it sounds better. In my case, it worked really well. So it's great to have a sound improvement for free. Anyway, hope you guys have a great journey with your audio gear, and have fun. Talk to you later. Bye.